Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now, Saturday today and we're having our Sunday dinner on a Saturday. I'm doing a slow cooked pork, cider and apple. Apple and cider pork shoulder, which was 1.5 kg, £6, 2p from Aldi. And I'll show you the rest. There's my pork shoulder. I've took the skin off, the crackling. I would usually do the crackling in the old oven, but there's only Nat really eats the crackling. I can't eat it because I ain't got no teeth, and Nat's having a few problems with hers at the moment, so she won't be eating it. So we're not having any crackling, which has been in the oven. I've got 2 onions, I've got an apple, I've got some cider there from Aldi, some Worcester sauce, I've got a stock cube, I've got a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and a bit of thyme, guys. And I'm having it with John Yorkshire puddings and roast potatoes, which I've done before on my channel. I've done it on my last Sunday dinner playlist, which I'll leave at the end of this video if you haven't seen it, because I'm not going to show you them again because it's just repetitive in it. So it's all about the pork, the cider and the apple today. So let's get the pan warmed up first. Okay guys, I've got 500ml of stock there. While my pan's warming up, I'm going to get my Dijon mustard. I'm going to get it all actually, all my seasonings into my stock. My sugar, my thyme and my garlic. And a bit of Worcester sauce. And I'm just going to give that a mix. And we'll just pour that all over the beef. Pork, once it goes in the slow cooker. Pan's hot, a little bit of oil. I have salted me pork, by the way, both sides. And we're just going to sear this up, guys, that's all we're going to do. Get it nice and brown. And while that's browning, I'm just going to chop my onions up. And my apple. I think I'll probably take the skin off my apple. You don't need to, I suppose, but I'm going to take the skin off. And I'm keeping some of the fat on this pork shoulder, because I do like a bit. We do like a bit of pork, us. Yeah, get it on in there. And I just sear that, guys, on all sides. Okay, guys, peeled the old onions and the apple. Just bite sizes, that's all I've done. It's going in the slow cooker, so you want them a little bit chunkier. We're going to get them in there. Lovely. Hope you can see that yet. We're going to get my pork, which is looking nice. Do like a bit of pork, us. There it is. I'm going to open my old cider. I'm going to get that about, I reckon about half. Actually, I'll put my stock in first, and then we'll know how much cider to pull in, won't we? Get my stock with all your seasonings in. Pour it over. I'm going to put this on for probably 4 hours. And probably about half a bottle of cider. I reckon a little bit more. That will do us, guys, and that. Smell it nice already. Right, we'll get the lid on and we'll do that for 4 hours. There's the meat, guys. It's been in an hour. I've done my Yorkshire pudding mix. We're having some stuffing that was in the cupboard. Just a box stuffing, that's all. There's my potatoes ready for my roasters. And we've got some little carrots. What I'm going to do with them, I'm going to honey glaze them. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to parboil them and get them nearly cooked. I'm going to do that now, actually. Then put them in a bowl of cold water, and then they can just go in the oven for the last half hour when the Yorkshire pudding's going. Job's a good one. Carrots are parboiled, guys. Get me some cold water or some ice, whatever you got. Got no ice. Just to stop them cooking. And I'm going to get them on a tray, and I'm going to put them in the oven, in the, what's it called? Bab? The fridge, that's it. Just doing my seasonings, ain't you bad for me?
Yeah, I did all the other ones yesterday.
You done all the other ones the other day. Loads of jars, what was they? £2 from pound shop, weren't they?
It's a shame you couldn't get them on
Yeah.
the mat.
There's my other ones, look. Loads of seasonings. And I bought some, I've got to make a shelf. I bought some of them from Aldi. Shelf brackets. And I'll be doing that tomorrow, I think. Right guys, I am just going to prepare my carrots. I'm going to get a tablespoon of honey into a bowl. Maybe 2 tablespoons, because not quite enough there. Or 2.5, yeah, probably about a tablespoon or so. I'm going to get a bit of Dijon mustard in as well, about the same sort of thing. Get it in there. A little bit of oil. Give it a mix. Don't need a lot, you know, it's only being a coating. Get the carrots in. And we'll coat them. Don't forget they are already cooked now, so they've only got to like, well, they're part cooked. I'll put a baking sheet down, get them on, just to stop them sticking to the tray. We'll spread them out. Then we'll get that on. And everything is ready to go in the oven. The meat's got an hour and 47 left, so in about 20 minutes I will get my spuds on for my roasters. Okay guys, the meat's got an hour and a half to go. What I'm doing now, I'm just getting my potatoes out. They should be nice and soft. I think so. Yes. And I'm going to turn them into an applesauce. I'm not a big fan of applesauce myself. Nat likes applesauce. I'm just going to get them in here and I'm going to mush them up with a bit of butter and a bit of caster sugar. There's an onion in there, look. I'll grab that out in a minute. Get them in there. Little bit of butter. Not a lot, don't need a lot. Maybe that much. And maybe a teaspoon of caster sugar or something. And we'll mash it together, guys, and then maybe like an applesauce thing then, I think. And butter melts a bit. Butter is a little bit hard, but it will melt. That's it, applesauce. A little bit runny, but do on the side of your plate, won't it? Okay, guys, everything's in the oven now for the last half hour. The meat has got half hour left, so I'm going to get my meat out now. We've got old pork. Somehow I'll have to move the plate because it's falling apart lovely, and I'm going to shred it up. Because it is good pork. This is for good old pulled pork. There it is, coming apart really nice. Put the lid back on to keep it hot. So they shredded apart. Oh yes, look at that. Just falling apart, look. Say 3.5 hours so far. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back in for the last half an hour, shred it up. And I'm just going to put some gravy granules in there to thicken it up, and all this can be inside the delicious gravy then. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, let's get it back in for the last half an hour, and as I say, we will just finish off with some gravy granules to get all that nice and thick at the end, all to go inside of them delicious big Yorkshire puddings. Oh yes. Well, there we go, guys. There is my Yorkshires. You all know what my Yorkshires like nowadays, then yeah, they're absolutely delicious. Same as my roasters. There's my old stuffing. There's my carrots. There's the other ones, look there. And I just got to do now some gravy granules, and I'm just going to stick gravy granules in. And this is going to be delicious. And we'll give it a mix in, just to thicken it up. You don't have to, you can use that as a sauce and just use some thickener, but With your gravy granules, you get a proper gravy then, don't you? You know what I mean? I want to got my applesauce, haven't I? I'm getting that to test that though, because she likes applesauce. I prefer a bit of English mustard, but I ain't got none. A little bit more, just a touch. That about does. Oh yes. Good old comforting food, guys. Good old comforting food. Right, let's dish up. Right, we'll get a couple of roasters in first to start with. We will get honey carrots in. Could have been a bit better, but everything's done, so you got to do as you do, ain't you? We do love these big Yorkshire puddings, you know, we do. As I say, I'll leave it at the end here, the Yorkshire puddings, if you haven't seen me doing before. So easy, and they come out lovely. Same as me roasters. Bit of stuff in. And the most important thing we want is the meat. How am I going to do this? Get it as close as I can so we can see. Actually, I might just get a ladle on it, eh? Loads of pork here, look. And cider gravy. Bit of gravy over the top. Oh yes. There we go, guys. I'll dish them all up and then we'll have a go. Oh, sweating, guys. Absolutely sweating.
Got a hot flush, Bab.
Oh, well, there we go. Pork cider, slow cooked pork, apple and cider. Looks like baby food. Doesn't it, Bab?
Yeah, that looks delicious.
It looks nice, doesn't it? I want you to try applesauce because I don't like applesauce.
Cracking bit of
I have got
food,
some
that
normal
is.
one anyway. I just thought I'd do it like that just for, because I cooked the apple in there, so let me know what you think. Truthful opinion.
Now, you know that gets me into trouble.
I've
when I
never
tell
made
you that-
applesauce before, ever. I just thought I'd try that just to see. Is that a no?
Sorry, no.
Hey, it's worth a go. I've never made it before. I wouldn't know how to make it anyway.
Sorry, sweat up.
No?
No, thank you.
Get you some normal one then. Why is it too sweet or just horrible?
No, it's just bland.
Just bland.
It's got a weird look. The texture, I can't explain. It's just bland.
Just not very nice.
It doesn't taste like apple.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't taste like.
It is a bit mushy, ain't it, to be honest?
Yeah, but I'm not.
Oh,
I'm
that's
not.
mushy, ain't it?
I'm not. I'm not putting you down or anything. Thank you for trying.
I just thought it was there because I wasn't going to use the apples in the dinner anyway. I was just used it to cook in there with, so I just thought I'd try that, but it ain't worked, did it?
But thank you for trying. Giving it a go.
That's what the channel's all about, ain't it, babe?
Yeah, well, I had to say that because...
That's nice, ain't it, that? Actually. That pulled pork in the cider and the sweetness there. Ooh,
This has been making me hungry all day. I smell out the kitchen, it's just like... That's really nice. Cider,
Oh, yes.
cider, did you say?
So I use cider and a bit of brown sugar.
That meat's so soft.
They're honey flavour carrots,
Oh, I'll have
which
a
I know you
go with
like.
them.
They're not the best ones because everything else was cooked, so I had to... But they've still got the flavour.
I like them. Your meat's so soft.
That meat's lovely, ain't it? I do like a bit of pork. I didn't do the crackling because
Oh, no.
of your teeth, so I got rid of it.
Thank you.
Otherwise, I'd have done it in the oven.
I think it's best if I stay away from that for a
Yeah,
bit.
for a bit. The roasters, which are delicious, ain't they, Bab?
I love your roasters.
And obviously that's the old stuffing, that's just out of the packet, guys. Was it 50p from Aldi or something? It's what I had in the cupboard, so. I'm a Yorkshire, which you can't beat, can you? You can't beat me good old Yorkshires.
That is a lovely
There's
plate of
underneath the
food.
Yorkshire. I don't know if I do show you that bit.
That is a lovely plate of food. Thank you. The
Comfort food,
flavours.
innit? Flavours are lovely, ain't they?
Yeah, I love this sort of food. Proper comfort food. Well done. That's nice. I like that.
Don't even have to season anything. Everything's about perfect, isn't it?
It is. Sorry.
While it was cooking, I did put a bit of salt and pepper in the slow cooker because I forgot to put it in at the beginning. But I seasoned the meat anyway. That's bang on, innit? You just seasoned to your taste, guys. Yeah, happy.
I'm more than happy, thank you.
There we go then.
Delicious.
Right then, guys, we're going to go and eat it. So thank you for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Maybe you can do it for dinner tomorrow. Till the next time. And it's good because you're not stressing about anything, are you? It's just cooking in that slow cooker, isn't it? You know what I mean? All you're doing is your Yorkshire puds. I can't do them in the air fryer, I've tried, you know. Like pancakes, ain't they? And we prefer them like that, and the roasters we prefer in the oven, don't we, anyway? Get all that fat in there. Guys, see you later. Bye-bye.